Hey guys, an update on energy fuels. So yeah, like I said, in uranium energy as well. S&P 500. I don't get a lot of views on those videos, but I was initially looking for a bit like a stronger reaction here. We didn't get it. Earlier today, we went and tried to look for a place we could bounce from by analyzing the chart again. Looks to be good for now, but yeah, let's see. But a lot of stocks were asking for a bounce. It's looking okayish now for some of them, but I think next week really needs to be green. Really needs to be green. Like, it's okay for some stocks to be red, but for example, energy fuels, if you want this scenario instead of this, I think we really want a green week next week. So we now reached the box already yesterday, like earlier this week, not yesterday, this was Tuesday. Point of control, I can delete that. Yesterday then I said, okay, if this is an ABC and this Y wave, we want to see 5 waves to the downside. Maybe it's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is your last 4, 5. Doesn't really matter. The thing is, we got a bounce now. We opened the market, I think, -7 or 8%. We're up -5%. We started, I think. We're up now 9% from that. It's gonna be the first green day, I think, in a while. Okay, we had 2 red days. Before that, we had a green day, but like we dropped. And then yeah. Daily RSI not oversold. We don't have like a volume and spike in the low candle, but it's not a must. It's just, yeah, it's nice if we get that. The weekly, you can see it's like lower volume as well. We said, look, this looks like topping candle here, and it has respected that. We have reset now the RSI. We are back down at 58, coming from 91. With this as well, it would be now ideal to, at least bounce here, maybe do something sideways. If you want to extend this wave 4, maybe do a triangle, I don't know. But I don't want to go much deeper. Of course, I don't decide this. Yeah, should we go deeper? 13.50 is the next one. Okay. And then here, like I said in the last video, we have overlap with the other scenario that potentially this is a 5-wave move complete already, and we're doing a correction of all of this. But on the weekly, if I just zoom out again, we want to reach this box here. Clear 5-wave move here, wave 2, and now increasing volume in your wave 3, but minimally this would need to get us to 128, which is an insane target. If we would get there, oh god, man. This is my baby, like this stock. Yeah. I also really believe in it, like, because if they really gonna push nuclear energy and domestic rare earth production in the US, this stock is one of the leading ones, so yeah. What more can I say? I can delete this one. We now reached almost this vertical line. I'm happy with it. If this is the wave 2 and we are now doing the wave 4, we are approximately the same in length, so I'm happy with it. I'm gonna leave it on the chart still. And yeah, also watch this trend line still below us. Should we go deeper to the upside? Let's see, if you want to be bearish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, even though we have overlap, let's try to be bearish. It would be a 1, 2. This has to be then another 1, 2, 3, and now then potentially a 4, 5, 4, 5, okay? 4 then, this 3, 4, we don't want the 4 to overlap with this. There is already overlap here, that's why I'm leaning towards the corrective structure. but if we do this now again, it would even confirm it more. So the level to watch for that is 17.83, okay? Together with that, I can add fibs for your wave 4 if we are bearish. So what I just drew a bit ago. And for that, we want to hit the 618 as well, okay? If we hit this, break above it, it even increases more that this is not a wave 4, but that, yeah. And then it invalidates the whole bearish potential, okay? Like potential, it's already lower probabilities in my opinion. So yeah, now what we have to do is, we don't have an 886 hit, that's also nice. We have good. If this is potentially a 1-2 setup, yeah, we could draw a box, why not? If this is a 1-2, we want to see now the price reach at least this box, okay? 3, 4, 5 then, and maybe this 5th then can push us towards this 618 level, invalidating the bearish count, and then we would have potentially a 1-2 setup, okay? If we get that, I already did add a lot to my position, but if we get these 5 waves and then a pullback, then here I can add more, because once we get a clear 5-wave move, we can say that, okay, probably the bulls have control now, okay? So that's the plan, that's the idea. Of course, the weekend is here, we need to wait for Monday, but I think what the market is doing now, it's good. It's setting up for a rebound next week, I think. We're oversold 4 hourly. It looks good. I don't want to spoil it or like jinx it, but looks good. It was a bloodbath, yeah. I could have played it a lot better. I called that weekly candle a topping candle. I did sell part of my position, but I'm like, why did I not sell more? Like, it was so obvious. 90 plus levels on the weekly RSI. It's with that candle, it's just so obvious, but still, yeah, didn't execute it perfectly. I'm still happy I did sell partially, and then now I bought back here and here, but I could have done it better. I guess lesson learned, but yeah, Lithium Americas is also doing good. This is also a mineral stock doing good. TMC finally also a green day. MP Materials, Critical Metals Corporation, so it's good. It's looking really good. Finally they're bouncing and trying. And yeah, for that whole sector they have been dumping pretty bad. But of course, yeah, for this one we were really expecting it as well. So okay, I think I've said everything. Sorry, it's been a long video, but it's not gonna be a video till Monday, and I want to cover again like the weekly, the micro, and what you're looking for. I hope you understood what I'm saying. Thank you for watching, and let's keep pumping till the day closes. Let's hope. Bye bye.